For many people, acne, blemishes, and other imperfections in photos can greatly affect their aesthetic appeal. Today, we'll be comparing 3 popular photo editing tools: HitPaw Watermark Remover, Fotor, and Media.io, to see which one provides the best and most natural results. Let's dive in. This is our original photo. Like many common selfies, there are some acne and small blemishes on the face. Our goal is to make the photo look cleaner and smoother. The first one is Fotor. It offers a simple repair tool called AI Skin Retouch, but that's a premium feature, so I'll choose another free method. In the left menu, select Beauty. Then choose Blemish Fix. You'll get a brush tool, which allows you to manually paint over acne or blemishes. Let's see how it works. Fotor can remove the color of the acne, but the repair effect is a bit rough. You can clearly see some unevenness on the face, which slightly affects the natural texture of the skin. This is more useful for small blemishes. The second one is HitPaw Watermark Remover. Although this tool is designed for removing watermarks, its precise restoration feature works great for removing pimples and blemishes as well. Simply select the brush tool and apply it to the area with facial imperfections. Then click Preview. Look, the pimples and blemishes are easily removed. And most importantly, the skin texture remains very natural, with a highly detailed repair effect, without any blur or unnatural marks. Finally, there's Media.io, which uses its object remover feature. Let's give it a try. It also uses a brush tool to highlight the blemishes you want to remove. Then click Remove Object Now. Media.io does a decent job of removing pimples, but when it comes to handling details, it can sometimes make the skin look a bit unnatural, or leave some signs of over-editing. Which one is your favorite? Click the link below to try it out now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.